Guys, welcome to the Astra Show. Today we are going to discuss the portfolio of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Who is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala? Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is considered to be the Warren Buffett of India, and he is the 38th richest person in India with net worth of 3.3 billion as of 21 January 2021. And people related to the share market, they always track Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio and which share he is buying and which share he is selling. So let's start without any delay. Which shares Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has invested in? So the first share is Titan Limited. Titan Limited is trading at around 1522.90 approximately around this. I have taken the share price from two different dates, so there may be a variation with the current price. So let's talk about Titan. Titan is a popular brand in India, and Titan basically deals in watches, and it has popular brands like Fast Track and Sonata, Raga, and it also deals in jewelry. The popular brand in jewelry is Tanishq, and yes, Titan Eye Plus is also a very popular brand of Titan. Another company is Tata Motors, which is trading at around 298. And Tata Motors, everyone knows about Tata Motors. Tata Motors is a well-known brand in Indian car market, passenger market, and it also deals in defense vehicle manufacturing. Another company, okay, so some of the popular brands of Tata are Safari, Tiago, Altroz, Ace Gold, and Nexon, also Harrier. Okay, another company is Escorts, which is trading at around 1210, and yes, it is popularly known for manufacturing tractors and related machinery equipments. Lupin is a pharmaceutical company which is trading at around 1090, and Jhunjhunwala has invested in this company as well. Another company is CRISIL, which is a rating agency, and the share is trading at around 1827. Another company is Jubilant Pharma. It is in pharmaceutical, contract research and development services, and proprietary novel drugs. Another company is Fortis Healthcare, which is trading at around 207, and Fortis Hospitals is a popular chain of Fortis Healthcare. It has 36 healthcare facilities, and it has presence in India, all over the India, as well as in UAE and Sri Lanka. Another company is NCC. NCC is a Nagarjuna Construction Company Limited, and it is into building and housing, roads, electrical, water and environment, irrigation, railways, international and power sectors. So it's a good company, and it is one of my favorites company as well. Rallies India is into domestic crop protection, international business, contract manufacturing, seeds and plant growth, and agri services, and it is trading at around 270. Another company where Jhunjhunwala has invested is Federal Bank. Federal Bank has around 1300 outlets, and it has around 1546 ATMs, and yes, it is a well-known bank in India. Tata Communication is trading at around 1128. Company is Delta Corp. Yes, Delta Corp is one of my favorites. It is into, I will tell you what Delta Corp does, because many of the people are not aware of this. So it is basically into gaming and hospitality. So casino, live casinos, electronic and online gaming industry in India, approximately 1800 gaming positions it has. Online gaming space through our acquired Gas Networks Private Limited, which operates the online poker site, that is adda52.com. MCX is an exchange, and another is Indian Hotels. Indian Hotels company was founded by the Tata Group, and the popular brands under Indian Hotel, yeah, it's trading at around 95, and the popular brands are Taj and Selection, Vivanta and Taset. GMI Infrastructure, which is trading at around 23 rupees. Another stock is Karur Vaishya Bank, which is trading at 52. Aptech, a well-known brand in computer education, which is trading at around 198. Agrotech Foods Limited, Sundrop is a popular brand for this, and Vatek Babag Limited, which is trading at 236. So it deals in water solutions, provides complete water solution. Then TV18, well-known brand. It has channels like TV18, Awaj, CNBC Awaj, then IBN, and many more. You see Wockhardt pharmaceutical company, it is trading at around 506. Next company is VIP Industries. The popular brand for VIP Industries are Aristocrat, Skybags, Alpha and Caprice. Another company is Iron Exchange. Iron Exchange deals in water treatment. It is into clarification, filtration, disinfection, and complete water solution. So, as the tagline suggests, total environment solutions. Geojit Financial deals in equity, commodity, mutual fund, and into all the financial products you can see in this screen. Edelweiss Financial Services Limited. Edelweiss is trading at 61. Geojit is trading at 45. Ion Exchange is trading at 1190. Dishman is trading at 129. Outsourcing for the pharmaceutical industry. Another company is Anantraj Limited, which is trading at 48. It is into real estate. Orient Cement and Prakash Industries. It is into mining, sponge iron, power and steel. And Maninfa, which is trading at 37. Billcare deals in packaging solutions. It is trading at 51 rupees around. DB Realty, which is trading at 19.50. Then Autoline Industries trading at around 34. Prozone Properties Limited, it is also into real estate. Prakash Pipes trading at 121, and then Mandhana Retail Ventures Limited, which is trading at 11. SpiceJet trading at around 61 rupees. First Solutions trading at around 113. DHFL trading at around 13.30. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay connected with the S2R show. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.